Hey there, so in this video I am going to be talking a little bit more about the Bitcoin halving. So in my previous video I talked about the Bitcoin halving and just kind of gave an explanation of what it's all about and why it's kind of a talked about thing in the Bitcoin community, or I guess amongst the crypto community. And so I came across this chart here that was posted on the internet on Reddit, and I'll leave a link down below on where I found it. But I found this chart here, and this one person just kind of analyzes what the Bitcoin halving uh, cycle looks like. So what this person has done is, based on previous halvings, so this is the first one, this is the second one, we know that from the I guess from the very bottom to the halving, that's about a 51%. That's about 51% of the time. And then for 49% of the time, the other sort of half after the halving, it goes up, continues, right? So from bottom to top, 51% of the time is before the halving. The other time, the other half is after the halving. And then after this bull cycle, there's a bear cycle, right? That makes sense. So it goes to the top and market bubble pops, comes back down. So, but the thing is, what's interesting is that from this bottom to the second halving, it's also 51% in terms of the number or the duration of this whole bull cycle. So from bottom to top, 51% pre-halving, and then the second halving, or after it, it goes on, it continues for about 49%. So if we're going to use this data, the previous two bull bear cycles, we're going to go from here, and the 51% mark would be May 11th, right? So that's when the Bitcoin third halving will happen. And this bull cycle here, if we can kind of use if we use the previous data to somewhat predict or infer what's going to happen, is that prices should continually or continually go up. It's not going to hit another bottom, but in fact it's going to go up, just as it's done here, just as it's done here. And after the halving, it's going to go up all the way into 2021, at the end of 2021. So, I mean, obviously, this isn't indicative of what will happen, but it's something interesting to look at, because this is something that might happen, right? I mean, because if you look at these bars right here, so 53, 52, 76, 75, I mean, obviously this is just what is being, I guess, what this person speculates on what's going to happen. But I just found this really interesting, and I wanted to share with you how the price could look like with the halving coming up. And again, if you're not sure what the halving is, I've made a video about that just before this one. So if you're interested, go check that out. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. You found it educational and informative. If you did, please give it a like or thumbs up, or if you're interested in receiving notifications of my future videos, then hit that subscribe button. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.